Welcome students in our YouTube channel Discovery International School collaboration with the YCL, the brand of quality education YouTube channel. Myself Sunil Kumar, botany faculty, experience 20 years. I welcome you to subscribe our channel and push the bell icon for our latest updates and latest videos. Okay, if you want to get success in your student life for achieving your target as a board examination as well as in your NEET examination, you should subscribe our channel. Okay. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में इन प्रीवियस वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द ecology part first and part second. Today I would like to explain about the ecosystem. Okay, let us start today's topic, ecosystem. Okay, listen to me students. Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? The term ecosystem given by A.G. Tinsley. This term given by A.G. Tinsley. Now we should know about the definition of ecosystem. What is the meaning of ecosystem? It is ecological system. It is the smallest functional and structural unit of nature. What is this? Ecosystem is the smallest functional and structural unit of nature, or we can say environment. This definition firstly told by E.P. Odum. Who told this definition? Who explained this definition? The meaning of ecosystem, E.P. Odum. Therefore, E.P. Odum known as the father of ecosystem, because firstly it defined by the E.P. Odum. E.P. Odum explained about it that the smallest functional and structural unit of nature or environment, told by E.P. Odum. Let us start some specific features and specific characteristics of ecosystem. What are some specific character or features of ecosystem? It can be very large or very small. Two characters. It may be large, very large. For example, ocean. A great ocean is a very large ecosystem, and the smallest ecosystem is a drop of water. A drop of water can be known as ecosystem. Smallest ecosystem. And largest ecosystem is ocean. Okay. It not has distinct boundary. There is no any distinct boundaries found in ecosystem, no any distinct covering. A line is found, so we can say indistinct boundaries. Ecosystem has indistinct boundaries, or it not has distinct boundaries. Okay, that means we can say it is found in overlapping form. Found in overlapping. One ecosystem can be overlap the boundary of another neighboring ecosystem. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि दो इकोसिस्टम होते हैं, पास पास में पाए जाते हैं अर्थ पर किसी भी जगह कहीं पर भी दो इकोसिस्टम, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ज्यादा, मोर देन वन इकोसिस्टम फाउंड एनीवेयर, and their boundaries are not specific boundaries, they overlap to each other, and we can say it is desert ecosystem. The boundary of this can be overlap flatland इकोसिस्टम. ओके, फ्लैटलैंड इकोसिस्टम डेजर्ट से थोड़ा सा अलग होता है, जहाँ पर रिवर फ्लैटलैंड्स भी हो सकती हैं, बिल्कुल समतल ज़मीन होती है जहाँ पर रिवर पानी, वाटर या फिर कैनाल इरिगेशन के जो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं वो पाए जाते हैं. दे ओवरलैप ईच अदर. इसकी और इसकी ये जो बाउंड्री है, ये जो पार्ट है, इसको कहते हैं ओवरलैपिंग बाउंड्री. इट इज also can be known as transitional area of ecosystem. Transitional area of ecosystem. Next point, self regulatory and self-sustaining system. What is? The ecosystem is a self-regulatory system. There is no any regulation can be done by other factors. It has its own factor so that they can regulate itself automatically. Okay, if there any type of irregulatory process found, then automatic regulation can be done by the ecosystem. It can sustain for a long time. It can remain for a long time without any interference. If any type of interfere can be done by artificial method, or we can say by the human, so these activities can be regulated itself. Okay, it can be these are the some specific features of the ecosystem. Large और small, बड़ा हो सकता है, छोटा भी हो सकता है. छोटा कितना हो सकता है? Drop of water, we can say. It not has any distinct boundary. दो इसमें किसी भी प्रकार की स्पेसिफिक बाउंड्री नहीं होती है. थोड़ी बहुत दूसरे किसी इकोसिस्टम के साथ होच हो सकती है, मिक्स हो सकती है, ओवरलैप हो सकती है एक दूसरे पर. खुद ही रेगुलेट करता है और खुद ही सिस्टम को पूरी तरह से चलाता है. ओके, नाउ द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. हमने डेफिनेशन क्या पढ़ी थी बेटा? अकॉर्डिंग टू एपिओडम. अकॉर्डिंग टू एपिओडम is the latest definition of the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the smallest functional and structural unit of nature. इसका मतलब है हम इसको एक छोटी से छोटी यूनिट मान सकते हैं एनवायरमेंट की या हमारे नेचर की. ओके, so type of ecosystem. There are two type of ecosystem. Two types. There are two type of ecosystem. First one is a natural ecosystem. Second one artificial ecosystem. Okay, natural ecosystem formed by nature or produced by nature automatically. There is no any contribution of human into natural ecosystem. This ecosystem also two type. कितने टाइप का होता है? नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम एंड आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम, ये दो टाइप के इकोसिस्टम होते हैं बेटा. नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम वो होता है जिसको नेचर ही बनाता है, हम नहीं बनाते हैं, हमारा कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन इसमें नहीं होता. आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम, ह्यूमन मेड इकोसिस्टम को आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टम कहते हैं. नाउ द नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम विच इज टेरेस्ट्रियल ecosystem and B type is aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem found on land form. ये लैंड फॉर्म पर पाया जाता है, जबकि किस में पाया जाता है? वाटर में. Water habitat. It is found into water habitat. पानी में पाई जाने वाला aquatic ecosystem and the ecosystem which is found in on the land form known as terrestrial ecosystem. Okay. Now, terrestrial ecosystem, we can say largest to smallest ocean. Sorry. Desert, tree, grassland, ecosystems. Desert ecosystem, tree ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, these are the form of terrestrial ecosystem which are found on land mass. Aquatic ecosystem, there are two type of aquatic ecosystem. The classification of aquatic ecosystem done on the basis of moving or static form of water. वाटर बह रहा है, रनिंग वाटर की फॉर्म में है, या फिर वो वाटर कहीं एक जगह पे स्टेगनेट भी फॉर्म में है. तो पहले है बेटा स्टिल वाटर. स्टिल वाटर की फॉर्म पर पहले कहते हैं इसकी फॉर्म होती है. द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ फॉर्म ऑफ स्टिल वाटर फॉर्म विच इज नोन एज लेंटिक वाटर ecosystem, and the second lotic water ecosystem. Okay. लेंटिक वाटर इकोसिस्टम की खासियत क्या होती है बेटा? इसमें पानी है वो स्टेगनेंट फॉर्म में है. स्टेगनेंट और स्टिल वाटर, और वाटर फाउंड इनटू स्टैटिक फॉर्म. पानी बहता नहीं है, एक जगह स्टिल रहता है, स्टेगनेंट फॉर्म में रहता है. एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, पॉन्ड, लेक एक्सेट्रा एंड स्वैम्प्स. एग्जाम्पल क्या होंगे? पॉन्ड. पॉन्ड दो टाइप के होते हैं, आप कभी इसमें कंफ्यूजन मत आना. बहुत सारे पॉन्ड है वो बनाए होते हैं ह्यूमन मेड. तो यहां ह्यूमन मेड नहीं, नेचुरल. ओके, ये नेचुरल. पॉन्ड, लेक एंड स्वैम्प. Okay, so there are three type of lentic water ecosystems: pond, lake, and swamp. Here, lotic water. Lotic, लोटना, इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं है, बट इसको हम समझ सकते हैं. लोटना यानी कि लोटता जो है वो रनिंग वाटर, रनिंग वाटर. Running water. This type of water not found into stagnant form. This water found into running form. Example, river. The river water has floating water ecosystem. Okay, so how many types of ecosystem? There are two type of ecosystem: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem बच गया बेटा. मैंने आपको natural ecosystem बता दिया जिसकी दो फॉर्म होती है: terrestrial ecosystem found on the land form, desert, tree and grassland ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem found into water, and it is fresh water. Which kind of the form of water? It is fresh water form. There are two type of aquatic ecosystem: lentic and lotic. Lentic means stagnant, still or static form of water found, यानी कि वाटर में मूवमेंट नहीं होती, वाटर एग्जिस्ट स्टिल फॉर्म में, स्टैटिक फॉर्म में, स्टेगनेंट फॉर्म में पड़ा रहता है, जस्ट लाइक पॉन्ड, lake and swamp. And the next type, second type of the aquatic ecosystem, lotic water ecosystem. That means water found into running form, and is the example of river. Okay. Now turn to artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem, also known as human-made ecosystem. There are so many examples. Can be human-made ecosystem, crop, or we can say crop field. Our farms, there we used to grow on the crops, cropland, gardens, and aquarium. Cropland, gardens, and aquarium. Okay. So these type of ecosystem. Now I would like to explain about something, the ecosystem, something more in ecosystem. What are the part of ecosystem? How many parts of ecosystem we should understand, and some specific kind of ecosystem on the basis of their size. It is star point of this topic, ecosystem on the basis of size. There are four kind of ecosystem basis on their size. First, mega ecosystem. Example, ocean. All oceans are the example of mega ecosystem. Second number, macro ecosystem, forest. The example of macro ecosystem. Third one, micro ecosystem. Third one, micro ecosystem. Micro ecosystem, we can say pond. The example of micro ecosystem, small ecosystem. And the last, nano ecosystem. The example of nano ecosystem is, we can say, water drop. Okay, water drop is the example of nano ecosystem. So we can say there are four kind of ecosystem classified on their size. First, mega ecosystem, ocean, macro ecosystem, forest, ये भी बड़ा होता है, ये भी बड़ा होता है, बट पॉन्ड छोटा होता है. देन इट इज नोन एज माइक्रो इकोसिस्टम, एंड नैनो इकोसिस्टम इज वाटर ड्रॉप, मे बी रेनी वाटर ड्रॉप ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ द कंपोनेंट ऑफ ecosystem. Component of ecosystem. According to EPODM, the smallest functional and structural unit of nature is known as ecosystem. It contains two type of component, which is two type of component known as biotic component, and second one abiotic component. Our type, two type, biotic component and abiotic component. Both are remain interaction form. Biotic component effect on abiotic component, and abiotic components effect on biotic component, and this is known as interaction. This interaction maintain itself automatically by nature, so it is known as self-regulatory or self-sustaining system, or we can say ecosystem. Okay, biotic components. How many types of biotic components found in any type of ecosystem? Okay, there are two type of biotic components are found: producers and consumers. Biotic components, two type. First, producer, and second one, consumers. Okay, producers and consumers. What do you mean about the producers? Now time to discuss about the producers. What are producers? The part of biotic components which used to produce the complete energy, complete food resources on our earth, but they get the total energy from sun. We can say all green plants, algae, blue green algae, chemoautotrophs, and some specific kind of bacteria. Chemoautotrophs बैक्टीरिया की कुछ एक फॉर्म होती है बेटा, ये याद रखें. बैक्टीरिया जस्ट लाइक सल्फर बैक्टीरिया, iron bacteria, etc. These bacteria used to produce their energy, okay, through autotrophic system. Now, green plants may be in different type: smallest dweller form, then herbaceous form, then sub form and tree form, algae, and blue green algae. All are producers because they produce their food, their energy from by taking the help of sunlight. So sunlight की help से ये सब अपना फूड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. प्रोडक्शन of food, and it is known as photosynthesis. It is known as photosynthesis. The synthesizing process of food by the help of photo, that means light, that means sunlight. It is known as photosynthesis. This process found into producers, okay, so these are also known as autotrophs. These are also known as autotrophs because they produce their own food by themselves through the process of photosynthesis. अर्थ पर कंप्लीट जो फूड सोर्स है वो प्रोड्यूसर से प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. इनकी जो प्रोडक्टिविटी होती है वो प्लांट्स की अलग होती है, बैक्टीरिया की अलग होती है, एल्गी की अलग होती है, साइनोबैक्टीरिया की डिफरेंट होती है. बट हम ये कह सकते हैं कि पूरी अर्थ पर जितना भी फूड सोर्स है वो इन्हीं की देन है और यही फूड फिर आगे चलता है और एक पूरे इकोसिस्टम में एक फूड चेन बनाता है, एक फूड वेब बनाता है. ओके, सो ऑल प्रोड्यूसर्स आर बेसिक स्टार्टर ऑफ एनी टाइप ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. Without these producers, there no any kind of ecosystem can be sustained. So there are two components are very required in any type of food chain or any type of ecosystem. Producers and lastly known as decomposers. Okay. Now time to discuss about the consumer. Second point, consumer. Consumers, the living being, those depend on the producers for their obtaining of their food. These are known as consumers. All consumers depend on the producer. जितने भी consumers होते हैं वो producers के ऊपर depend होते हैं उनके food resource के लिए, क्योंकि उनके पास और कोई resource नहीं होता. पूरी अर्थ पर जितना भी food होता है, जितने भी resources होते हैं, food resources, वो इन्हीं से develop होता है. आप समझ भी गए होंगे photosynthesis की process से. Okay. Now, type of consumers. All consumers which are depend on producers classified into two types. First, A and B. Macro consumer. Macro consumer and micro. Okay, there are two type of consumers, macro consumers and micro consumer. Macro consumers are large size than micro, and micro consumers are found into very microbial form. Example, bacteria and fungi. All bacteria and some fungi are known as micro consumers. And macro consumers, there are three type of macro consumers. Which is primary consumers, secondary consumers and top consumers. First, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and top consumers. Okay, so there are three type of macro consumers: primary consumers, secondary consumer and top consumers. प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स के बारे में अब आप आगे डिस्कशन हम करेंगे. व्हाट आर कंज्यूमर्स? द लिविंग बीइंग विच आर डिपेंड ऑन प्रोड्यूसर्स फॉर देयर ऑब्टेनिंग फॉर देयर फूड, classified into three types: primary consumers, also known as herbivores. Herbivores, living beings, those depend on herbs, those depend on vegetation, those depend on vegetative plants, known as herbivores or vegetarian. So many examples we can take: herbivores, cattle, grazing cattle, rabbits, deer, etc. These are known as herbivores or phagotropes. These are known as phagotropes. What are phagotropes? We have discussed in our earlier YouTube video about the prey and predator system. The part of interspecific interaction, prey and predator, one being eaten another by another. Okay? सो प्रे है वो खाया जाता है प्रेडेटर से, और प्रेडेटर प्रे को यानी कि अपनी शिकार को फिनिश कर देता है, और इसी को क्या कहते हैं? फैगोट्रॉप्स कहते हैं. इसके दो टाइप हो सकते हैं. एक प्रेडेटर होता है जो एनिमल है, जो किसको खाता है? हर्ब्स को खाता है, हर्बेशियस प्लांट्स को खाता है, प्लांट्स पार्ट और प्लांट्स प्रोडक्ट को खाता है, फैगोट्रोप कहलाता है, या फिर उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको हर्बीवोर कहते हैं. दिस इज नोन एज प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर फॉर्म और फेज. Primary consumers directly obtain their food from plants. Okay, and the secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are depend on primary consumers. They obtain their food from primary consumers. Okay. All type of their food requirement, their energy requirement fulfilled by eating the primary consumers. So these are carnivores or known as carnivores. Which kind of carnivores? They eat primary animals known as carnivores. Example, इनके example हमने पढ़ ली थी बेटा. Kettles, food grazing cattle and different type of herbivores plant, the herbivores animals. Carnivores, we can say there are so many types of animals found in our ecosystem. They can eat the primary producers, for example dog, cat, etc. and fox. Dog, cat and fox. C. Third type of consumer known as top consumer. Top consumers are found at the last trophic level in a food chain. Found at last trophic level, these can eat carnivores. These can eat any type of carnivore or any type of herbivore. They indirectly depend on plants, but they eat these animals. And also, some of them maybe eat some vegetarian parts. For example, human can eat the vegetations and vegetative parts of the plants, vegetative parts and also products of plants. Okay, so also known as omnivores. Human, lion, and so many examples may be included in this. Human, omnivore. Dog, omnivore. Cat, omnivore. Crow, omnivore. These are also just like a example of dog, cat also can be included into secondary consumer. But these may be eaten any type of food item which are available into our ecosystem. So these are known as omnivores also. Top consumer, the main example of top consumer, lions and tigers are known as top consumer. Okay, now I would like to explain one more thing. Tertiary consumer. The possibility of presence of the tertiary consumer is not found anywhere, not occur, but into deep rain forest, In a very complex form of ecosystem, tertiary type of consumer may be found, which can be found between secondary consumer and top consumer. Okay, between two consumer, top consumer and secondary consumer, found the tertiary consumer into very complex and very deep rainforest and very presence of very mega divergent land or area. Third type of consumer also can be found between top and secondary consumer. Now the top consumers comes at fifth trophic level, but here we can say four trophic levels are found into ecosystem, which is producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer and top consumer. Okay, तो बेटा ये तो हो गया इसके कंज्यूमर्स, इसके प्रोड्यूसर्स. अब इसकी थोड़ी सी हम डिस्कशन और कर लेते हैं इसके बारे में. छोटे मोटे जो टॉपिक्स हैं, जो स्टार पॉइंट टॉपिक्स होते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स होते हैं. ह्यूमन क्या है, कुछ एक टॉपिक्स है. ह्यूमन क्या है. ह्यूमन के दो नेचर होते हैं बेटा, वेजिटेरियन and non-vegetarian. If it vegetarian, then it is known as primary consumer. If it non-vegetarian, it carnivore, then it can be included into secondary consumer. Parasitic plants. We know some parasitic plants, Cuscuta, or we can say Amarbale, Cuscuta, Amarbale and Rafflesia. Rafflesia is a total root parasite and Cuscuta is total stem parasite. यानी कि दूसरे प्लांट पर रहने वाले प्लांट होते हैं, इन्हें पैरासाइटिक प्लांट्स कहते हैं. क्योंकि किस पर डिपेंड है, ये डिपेंड है प्लांट्स पर, प्रोड्यूसर्स पर, इसलिए इनको कहते हैं प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर. दीज आर प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स. ओके, नाउ insectivores, plants, Nepenthes, sundew plant, pitcher plant, Drosera, etc. There are so many plants are found into our nature, in our ecosystem, which depend on the different type of insects for fulfilling their requirement of the nitrogen. They catch these insects and absorb their nitrogen, which is found into proteinous form. These plants are known as secondary consumer and also known as producers. There are two characters of their producer, because these are green plant, photosynthetic plants. We should say producers, and we can say secondary consumers, क्योंकि ये डिफरेंट टाइप के एनिमल्स को, इंसेक्ट्स को पकड़ के खा जाते हैं. नाउ लास्ट, स्कैवेंजर. Scavengers, vultures, hawk, etc. These animals used to dead animals. These animals used to eat dead animal and obtain their food, known as secondary consumer. But especially because dead animals are found and decomposition here take place by the help of scavengers. Therefore, these are also known as decomposers. Okay. लास्ट, कंज्यूमर का दूसरा टाइप माइक्रो कंज्यूमर. एक छोटा सा टॉपिक बचा है, 1 मिनट का टॉपिक बचा है, इसे छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा. माइक्रो कंज्यूमर्स हमने पढ़ा था, composer, decomposers, bacteria and fungi. Bacteria or fungi used to decompose the dead and decaying material which are found on the earth. Okay, humus soil and any dead body of any living being after their death remain on the land mass and decomposed by the bacteria and fungi and mixed with the soil. Okay, so decomposers and producers, two components of biotic components of ecosystem are very essentially required. Producers and decomposers. Between producers and decomposers remain all the consumers are not required. बट दे पाए जाते तो ठीक है, नहीं है तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है। और ये नहीं होते हैं तो जितना भी प्रोडक्शन होता है वो प्रोड्यूसर से होता है और उसको डिकम्पोज करके फिर से वापस बायोजियो केमिकल साइकिल के थ्रू ये सारे के सारे केमिकल्स फिर से हमारे इस एनवायरनमेंट में इकोसिस्टम में मिक्स हो जाते हैं। तो बिल्कुल आपके समझ में आया होगा, आपने बड़े अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा, समझा होगा। और यदि कोई चीज़ का कोई डाउट रह जाता है तो आप कमेंट्स कर सकते हैं या फिर इनमें वापस इस वीडियो को एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं, आपके सारे डाउट हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे। क्योंकि मैंने इसी तरीके से बाइलिंगुअल फॉर्म में थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन किया ताकि आप थोड़ा ईजीली इसको समझ सकें। एक बार इसको रिवाइज कर लेना, बिल्कुल अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। बहुत ईजी टॉपिक है और इसमें से क्वेश्चन भी हर साल नीट में पढ़ते हैं। ओके, तो students, subscribe our channel and push the bell icon for new update. Okay, bye, we will see into next video.